this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect a Dualsense controller here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is actually go up to your settings. So from the main page, go up to the top right, select the little settings gear, and once you're in your settings, you need to scroll down until you see accessories. Go ahead and select that, and once you select that, hit general on the left hand sidebar and then select Bluetooth accessories up at the very top and select your Dualsense controller in here. You may see multiple listed. You can do the one that's currently connected, or you can do other ones that aren't currently connected as well. As you can see, I currently only have 2 connected, but let's go ahead and say I'm going to do the one that's currently connected. Go ahead and select it and then hit either disconnect or forget. Either of these options will work. Disconnect won't forget it permanently. It'll just go ahead and disconnect it for the time being. And then you can just turn your controller back on and it'll reconnect. Or what you could also do is hit forget, and then to ever reconnect it, you just have to hold down on the PS button and then the share button and you'll be good to go. Wait for that flashing light, select the controller in this area in accessories found, and you are good. That's it, done in a few seconds. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.